how to find a prior year AGI on an IRS transcript. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up a browser and head over to the search and then type in irs.gov. Just go ahead and type in that and hit enter. Once you go ahead and do that, you will be taken to this interface. Now from the given interface, scroll down and look for this option, Get Your Tax Record. Click on it, and then once you click on it, this opens up. Now from here, you may follow the on-screen instructions in order to do so, or you may sign in. Otherwise, you may use the search bar at the top of this interface, and in the interface, type in tax transcript, hit enter. And once you do that, here you will be getting some results. You may click on Get Transcript and follow the on-screen prompts. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.